Chicken stew is one of my favorite stews to make, guys, because it's so easy and all you need is some simple ingredients. Today, I'll be showing you how to make this really delicious stew. But guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna start by washing my chicken. Of course, lemon is always good when it comes to washing meat, so we're gonna use lemon and wash it really well. Alright guys, so screenshot the ingredients because this is what we're going to use to season our meat, guys. So I'm going to season my meat with the onions, blended onions, and the seasoning that you just saw. We're gonna cook this on medium heat for 30 minutes, guys, and this will really help with the flavor. We're going to marinate, of course, through the cooking process. After the 30 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and remove the chicken and make sure that you save your broth, guys. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and fry our chicken, guys. And do you see the seasonings? Yes, this is the beauty of cooking your chicken with the seasoning before frying. It literally intensifies the flavor. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add our chopped up onions along with our 2 bell peppers and 2 fresh tomatoes and allow this to fry and cook in for about 20 minutes. So within the 20 minutes, guys, we're gonna go ahead and add our broth. Remember that chicken broth, that I said to save? Yes, it's literally full of flavor. Guys, we're gonna go ahead and add that whilst the stew is cooking. And this is also a time where you might want to lower your heat to a medium. If it's on high, just go ahead and simmer it down so that the ingredients can literally cook through. The last step is to add your chicken, guys, and with this step you're also going to add your spices. I'm not going to add too much spices. This is just 2 Knorr cubes with a little bit of sprinkle of salt. Already the stew has a lot of flavor going on with the broth and with the seasoned chicken. So now we're gonna go ahead and allow it to cook for 15 more minutes. I've added scallions for some freshness and taste, and guys, just wait and see. This is so delicious. I paired this up with some rice and beans, and guys, it was a banger.